Here, I'm 3D printing the body for my fidget spinner. While that's printing, we're going to have to clean out the bearing. The ones I ordered came with oil in them. We need to take that out by dropping them in acetone. Let them soak for about 5 minutes and shake around. Now your bearing should spin very freely. Now that our 3D print is done, we can take it off the build plate. Now I'm going to put on the thumb caps. You just need to push them in firmly. You can do the same with your other bearings. Now your fidget spinner is complete. Please like and subscribe.